Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to NOKIA X10. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer and then open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you can tap on OK in this pop-up right away or select Not Now first and then tap on OK. After that, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive on Nokia next to it. Then finally, you can click on all of those type of dots and hit Send over here. This way you will select all of those files from all of those categories and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Click on Send and then tap on Got It and here's some tip pop-up. Now choose one of those options on the NOKIA X10 and tap on Close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on the NOKIA X10, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here as well. And then tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds. As you can see, my file was successfully sent. So finally, I can click on it in order to access it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!